Hello and welcome to Ceibal in Inglés remote teaching course. What is remote teaching? This course has been designed with one main concept in mind, which is that the course needs to be learner-centered. This course is designed for adults who are teachers of English, who have very little time to waste and a lot of energy to make a career change. In this sense, the objectives of the course are short and are clear. The content comes in small pieces to make learning easy and through different formats. There's reading material, there are images, there are videos, and also there are many interactive activities so that learners can read and do as they learn. One of the most complex concepts of remote teaching relates to one of the lessons, which is called Settings and People in Ceibal in Inglés. The educational context of remote teaching includes different settings. For this reason, the lesson begins with images that can be clicked upon and where the definition of the location and who is in that location is explained. The school, the high school, Ceibal, and also the institutes or language schools where remote teachers work. So from the images, the next explains the roles and functions in the program. And again, this is done through an interactive activity which starts by the name of the player in the educational setting, and by clicking, the learner will find the definition of the role and function of the remote teacher, an image that shows exactly the setting where the remote teacher works, and also extra reading material. This is the case for remote teaching, for class teacher, for the mentor, for the quality manager, for the institute coordinator. What follows is revision, and in the revision there are also interactive activities for the learners to see whether they have understood or if they need to revise.